I have about 2 tablespoons of peanut oil in here, and it's getting really hot, and that's what I want. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 garlic cloves, which I minced, and about half a cup of very finely chopped onion. I'm also gonna add 3 scallions, which I chopped, just the light green and the white. We're gonna let this cook for a few minutes until it starts getting fragrant. This is starting to brown. I'm gonna add half a cup of peas and about 2 cups of cooked rice. You want to mix that well. We're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of soy sauce. Make sure you coat all of the rice with the soy sauce. If you have some clumps, work through them. You could use other vegetables in this. You could add carrots to it if you want. And now we're going to make a little well. And I'm going to put an egg right there. Let it set for a few seconds. And now I'm going to start scrambling my egg. And now, before it's completely set, I'm going to mix it with my rice. Our fried rice is ready.